All right, guys, so this is day number 3, technically, of cleanup. It was, the fire was Thursday night. We started cleaning up Friday afternoon, Saturday all day yesterday, and today is Sunday. So lots of people came out yesterday, a lot of people out today. You can see we made a big dent in the cleanup. So this is gonna have to probably be completely demolished. And hopefully you can get a steel building going up there. Again, got a GoFundMe and Cashapp. Look in the description if y'all want to support and help. Hopefully we can get this thing back up soon. Appreciate it, guys. Something that's really cool. Courtney was over here yesterday, the paper hustle. He was able to pitch in all day yesterday. Lots of people, lots of friends. Bryans helped a ton of people over the years. So there's a lot of people that show up to help. DXM Racing, John Viola, they were at Thunder Valley Racing and he saw it, and so him and his family on the way back to New Jersey, they stopped for the day too. Tons of people yesterday too, and it's hard work, it's backbreaking work. So we're going to try to hopefully have by the end of today, of course tomorrow's Monday, but hopefully by the end of today we can have all of this down, and then I assume Brian will knock down these block walls this week to get us down to a pad. We think that lift over there might be salvageable. Of course, it's going to need new wiring, new electronics, new pumps. I shouldn't say electronics. Well, I guess it is. But there's a lot that is trash, metals getting recycled. So we got some friends coming to grab any of the metal stuff. And it sucks, guys. Fire is disastrous, but we are making progress. It is amazing the amount of people that have reached out on the GoFundMe and the Cash App, and people that watch the channel that have come out and helped us with this cleanup. I can't thank you guys enough. I really appreciate everything y'all have done. Oh yeah, that's gonna fall. It was very well attached to the brick. Alright guys, well, it's almost dark again. We got probably 20 minutes of light left, and that section there is the only thing that's left to come down. So he's fixing to pull all that down. We're gonna see if we can get all this cleaned up by the end of the day is the game plan. Alright guys, day, whatever day it is, it's Sunday afternoon. You can tell it's definitely getting dark. The last of the engine room is now down. Can't thank everybody enough for coming out and helping out today. I'll update. This video will probably be multiple days because I haven't been filming much. But hopefully by the end of the day, we got just a bit of light left. Hopefully all that stuff will be cleaned up And then the next couple days, I think Brian's going to go ahead and knock down these walls, and they're going to be done. Have a flat concrete slab here.